at which conclave the Prime Minister inaugurated the National Atomic Scale. National Meteorology Conclave. What is the range of nuclear-capable Agni-5 missile? – 5,000 km. In which city the CEPI Centralized Network Lab has been inaugurated? Faridabad. In which state Trifed and Akhil Bharatiya Vanwasi Kalyan Ashram has signed MOU to set up Tri-Food Parks? Madhya Pradesh. Which one has signed MOU with the Bandhan Bank for the Bandhan Bank Shaurya Salary Account? Indian Army. Which state has launched Kisan Kalyan Mission to double the farmers' income? Uttar Pradesh. On 5th January, the Indian government's SLNP and Ujala programs has marked their which anniversary? Sixth. Who has signed the $105 million project to improve waterways in West Bengal? World Bank. Which bank has announced operationalization of the PIDF scheme? RBI. World's largest floating solar energy project in India is going to be constructed on Omkareshwar Dam. This dam is located on which river? Narmada. Which company has signed joint hands with for rooftop solar financing for MSMEs? Tata Power. The MOE and MOWCD has launched Toykathon 2021. What is the mascot of Toykathon 2021? Toyku. Who has been appointed as the first Deputy General Secretary of AIFF? Abhishek Yadav. Cabinet has approved the signing of MOC with which country for partnership in specified skilled worker? Japan. On the line of ease of doing business, the Union Minister has launched which portal? separate business development portal.